Robinhood Chain is on fire and interest is starting to come back. The last video over 4,000 views. And since then, I've turned my public portfolio from 16K to 24K. In this video, I'm going to go over this weekend's trades, how I did it, and even go over a few things I am looking at. As always, none of this ever financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and always do your own research. Now, let's get into Robinhood Chain. Robinhood Chain definitely feels like base 2.0 on steroids, and I think it's here to stay. Just in the video we had last week, 17K portfolio. It was 16 at the beginning of the day, went to 18, went back down to 16. But since then, we've made a lot of progress, 25K. And I want to detail some of the trades, but everything I share in the Discord, I believe this is the most complete finance Discord that you can have. This is Sal. He said he turned 200 bucks into 4.2K all on Robinhood Chain in the Discord. As always, it's never financial advice, but I do share what I am doing so people can integrate that into their research. You know, we have a lot of new people coming into cryptocurrency, but the problem is they're trying to do it on their own. They don't know about technical analysis, and they need to be around a community that they can trust. So if you're interested in joining what I believe is the best financial Discord, I'll leave the link down below. I can't wait to see you there. But let's tap into this. 4,000 views on this video, 126 likes 2 days ago, shows me retail interest is coming back. And so I just want to show you a couple things. You can see right here, a hood rat on that video we sold at about 14.6K. We got into this at a mil market cap. And if you go back to that video and you take a look, a hoppy 288K market cap, it hit 5 mil. And so that's just a couple of the trades that helped us get to where we're going. I want to go over this trade right here that I'm currently still in, and I really like this meme. It's S&P 500, and you can see what it stands for if you look up top, but they distribute stocks. I believe it's every hour, every couple hours, proportional to how much of the meme that I own. And so I really like that. Cats have been hot, but I traded this, and I happened to trade it pretty good in my opinion. I got in at, yes, you're reading that correctly, 19.4K. And all my trades I put in the Discord before I do them. I put why I am doing them, and I bought here and I traded it up here. You know, pulled out 2,500, and then I bought back down here, sold up here. And so I'm still holding a moon bag. If it drops any more, I may buy it to trade it again, but that's one of them that has done very well for me. Another one was NASDAQ, something that I actually got back in this morning. Bought the Pico bottom right here and then sold the top, right? And so that is how I personally am trading the Robinhood Chain. Like I said, none of this is ever financial advice, but if you want to know what I'm doing when I'm doing it, I will put all that in the link down below. But it's very inspirational to see Robinhood bringing back a lot of interest. It's bringing back a lot of interest that had left. I've had multiple people in the Discord that had left at some point in time, and now they came back. They said they took a break because of in real life stuff. Crypto's just slow. And now they came back. We've even had people that have joined that said, hey, I'm brand new to meme coins. I'm brand new to crypto. And I say that's the smartest thing you can do is get in with the community, because this space has a lot of good people, but it's basically zero sum, meaning the money that comes in is the same money that comes out. So if somebody is making money, somebody is losing money, and you have to put yourself around a community, people that have been there before, people that have your best interest at heart. But you can see I'm still looking for the top dog, which there is a couple of dogs in like the 10 mil range. We're still looking for what's going to be the established Matt Fury character. Hoppy's currently at 3.4 mil, but I'm also looking for beta plays. I'm looking for tech plays, and there's plenty of them, but there's a lot of new launches as well. Now, a lot of people ask me, how do you trade on Robinhood if someone is interested? And the way I personally did it initially was I went to Uniswap, connected my wallet at the time to Uniswap, and took some base Ethereum and bridged it or swapped it, it's that easy nowadays, over to Robinhood Ethereum. But now there's so many different ways to trade that the easiest, in my opinion, and I am not sponsored by them, even though I would love to be, is FOMO. You just deposit USDC, and then from there, you just, whether it's Solana, whether it's Robinhood base, you just go for it. BNB chain, it really doesn't matter. They make it extremely easy. So I'll leave the link down for this below as well. But you always got to be careful, right? Like I mentioned, meme coins, any kind of trading like this is a zero-sum game, right? Meaning there's no money being made for the product. So there's not additional money. So the money, if there's $1 million worth of trading that goes on and $1 million's withdrawn, then that comes from somebody's pocket, right? And so everyone just has to understand the risk that are involved with this, right? It's not something that is risk-free by any means. So that's why it's important to give yourself every edge that you possibly can. And I also think something I was talking to my Discord about is that there are going to be a lot of opportunities on Solana. I believe that there's a lot of very good Solana projects that have been sold off a lot because people were chasing Robinhood plays, right? The same with Base. There's a lot of very good tech plays, specifically tech plays on Base right now that have been sold off a lot. And so this is personally what I am hunting for in the Discord. As always, I am a complete finance guy. I talk the bond market, I talk meme coins, stock market, I cover all of it. I tell you, I think you will be hard pressed to find a more complete finance Discord, but I'm just happy to see everyone winning. Watch this video up above, and if you're not in the Finance Freeman family, come join us. I'll see you there.